Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Welcome to another 2-minute training from your favorite speech therapist. Today we're talking about strokes. All of you know that strokes are bad. They're usually quite debilitating for the person affected, and they're devastating for the family. Strokes often leave their victims with weakness or paralysis on one side of the body. It can also affect speech, communication, and swallowing ability, which is where I step in. A stroke is a sudden interruption in the blood supply of the brain. It occurs quickly and requires immediate treatment. 80% of strokes are ischemic, meaning there is a blockage of arteries leading to the brain. Other strokes are hemorrhagic and are caused by bleeding into the brain when a blood vessel bursts. Many strokes, also called TIAs, last only a short time, with symptoms usually resolving on their own. But watch out, because these are a warning sign that a full-blown stroke might be ahead of you. An easy way to recognize stroke symptoms is using the acronym FAST. The F is for facial drooping, A is for arm weakness, S is for slurred speech, and T means it's time to call 911. Now for my speech therapy tidbit. There are 3 common speech difficulties that occur after a stroke. First is called aphasia, and this affects the language centers in your brain, making it difficult to speak and/or understand what others are saying to you. It can also make reading and writing very difficult. The next is dysarthria. This makes it hard for you to control the muscles in your face, mouth, and throat, so it's difficult to speak clearly. People often sound quiet, and they have slurred or slowed speech. And then there's apraxia of speech. This affects the voluntary control of muscles in your face, making them hard to move, so other people can't understand you. If your loved one has any of these issues after a stroke, find someone like me who can help. And that's a wrap. See you for the next training.